Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type edges and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative, and close an ad. Over here you can customize your edges. You can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, the size of edges, and many other things. When you're done, click on one of these sources, for example photos, and choose a picture that you want to apply as a wallpaper. I will go with that one, so now I have to adjust it and tap at the top right corner. When you're done, click Create. Then click on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Now set wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see these edges when you use apps, go back to the app, choose Home, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other Apps. Click Yes, then choose this app and tap on the switcher. Go back and tap on the switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use my apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!